everyone, it's Mayura here. A lot of people have requested me to make a tutorial on headstand, also called as Shirshasana. So today we're going to learn how to get into a headstand with the support of the wall, and once you're comfortable, how to start coming off the wall so that you can start practicing Shirshasana in the center of the mat. So let's get started. To measure the distance, hold the opposite elbows. Open your hands forward, interlock your fingers. Place the crown of the head on the floor. Curl your toes in and lift your knees up. Start walking inside till wherever you can and hold there. Once you're comfortable, take one leg forward and other leg back. You want to try to press from the forward leg onto the floor and jump up and back. Just try to do that a couple of times till the time that once you will reach all the way up on the wall. Once you reach there, just stay there with the support of the wall. Try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. Tuck your tailbone in. Slowly, with the support of the wall, you can come all the way back and relax in child's pose. Once you're comfortable, you can start using your core instead of the momentum. So once you lift up, start walking in. You can bend one leg towards your chest and you're going to hold. Comfortable, take the other leg up also. Try to hold here. Slowly you can start making your legs straight up and place them on the wall. Keep your core engaged. Stay here for as long as you can. Slowly again start bending both the knees together, and with your core strength come all the way down and relax in child's pose. Once you're comfortable with this, you're ready to try without the wall. So try a little away from the wall. Start walking inside. One leg to your chest, other leg to your chest. Hold here. And once you're comfortable, start making your legs straight up. Engage your core and hold your core. Stay here for as long as you can. Slowly you can bend both your legs again towards your chest and come all the way down. Relax in child's pose. So this was headstand. You want to make sure you do not rush into the posture, but take it easy and practice slowly. You can also practice a lot of drills to build your arm strength so that it helps you to lift up to a headstand. I've already posted a tutorial on drills to strengthen your arms. If you haven't yet watched it, you can still go back and check it out. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram for daily updates like yoga sessions with me, workshops with me, and so many other things. And if you like this video and you want me to make more such tutorials, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.